Okay, for the master lock, the 1534D, if you really cannot remember a combination and you don't know how, you don't want to try so many combinations. There's over 25 million possible combinations. It's one way you can find out how. Okay, if you got extra rings, so you got a backup replacement. Break one. Use a knife to break one ring, which is you can move over even with the cap on. You can move over to see each red dot. As you can see, you can move over. See, you can move over to see each red dot. Okay. After you align all the red dot, you can open. When you open it, just use the actual backup one to slide in and reset your combination. There you go.